2018 Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, tachometer, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.